This $17.5 million hinterland mansion is unlike anything I've ever seen. And given the fact that it's located in the Noosa Hinterland, one of the most desirable areas in Australia, it's easier to see why this 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom home is in a league of its own. Get ready to be captivated by a truly mesmerising piece of luxury living. Welcome to Stonelea, considered by many as one of the finest private residences on the Australian eastern seaboard. Perched atop the Noosa Hinterland, Stonelea offers breathtaking northerly vistas across the mountain range towards the sea. This dual-level executive residence was designed with comfort, livability, and harmony as top priorities. And it doesn't stop there. Enhanced by an abundance of indoor and outdoor spaces, Stonelea is a sanctuary for day-to-day enjoyment, relaxation, and entertaining, graciously accommodating anywhere from 2 to 200 guests. Stonelea's landholding is a true rarity unlikely to be duplicated. Nestled into Cooroy Mountain, just 20 minutes from Hastings Street, Stonelea is a countryside lodge with a modern twist. Space, privacy, security, and lifestyle amenities are its hallmarks. Fashionistas take note of the main suite's walk-in wardrobe and bespoke cabinetry that will leave you speechless. Stonelea, where elegance meets modern luxury, offering a lifestyle of opulence, privacy, and unrivaled beauty.